Right, good morning. We are now going to start, what we're starting with, water again. We're going to just put the pipe work in ready for the sink, for the kitchen, galley, whatever you call it.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're just, we had the wrong valve for the washing machine, so we're just going to replace that now. And then what we're going to do is, all we're going to do is just bring up the feeds for the hot and cold for where the sink will be. So that's going to go in down there, and then yeah, then that's all ready for eventually once we get the sink top and the tap and everything else. So yeah, so that's it for the start. Is it just that?
Yeah,
What one are you going for, Dave?
that one for the washing machine.
Can you just let me see it? Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. But you've got to switch with that one, right? And that's cold water. That one will go in there. That sorts that out. Yeah. Although having said that, if we used that, that one going. Yeah, that's no good for a tap for the.
No.
So we could have two taps for the. Did we have them?
What?
The taps.
We've got an isolator. We've got the
Isolators. I can imagine that. You don't feel, and it's difficult. Well, it's not too bad, I suppose. Yeah, well, it's all right.
No,
I just looks.
No, I just wondered because
Yeah. Well, that would clip on it. Mind
you,
you, we got an olive on there.
Yeah, yeah.
You use that one.
Yeah.
What a pain. That olive's too far down the hole. Will that one come out? No, it won't.
We might not have one, so we might have to go with the other one. We might have to go with the speed fit one. I'm not sure I've got any of those. Those inserts. I don't think I've got any more. Yeah, sorry, I've only got that one.
That's all right.
So
That's that one.
yeah, no, that won't go in there though, will it? What I
What?
mean is that'll have to come off because that's no, because that's not the right insert for that fitting.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's why we need one, don't we?
Yeah, but
Because we're using
we'll
this.
use this instead then because we've had to put that in.
All right, whatever.
Yeah, I can't. I haven't got another one of them inserts, you see. So it'd have to be that one.
Voila.
Yep.
Right then. That's that. Right, now then, that one has got to be moved down. He had to be moved down anyway because of the shelf. Doesn't it?
Let me get this.
Shelf's there. Where's the other hole for the shelf? There's a shelf hose there. So it's going to have to come up through the shelf, isn't it? Yeah, I'll bring him down to about there. Shelf's going to be there. I wanted it, depending. I'll just move him down a touch. Yeah, I'll have to cut a square out. Right, no problem there. Right.
Longer.
Be about centre, isn't it? Yeah. Another one beside him there. Yep.
How's your cold today, Dave?
Yeah, better.
Good.
Better.
I think you're on the mend now.
Yeah.
You've got it on yours, haven't you? I'm not sure about that now.
That'll go in there, that goes in there, right. These.
We've just noticed that this socket is quite near to the sink. I know there needs to be I don't know if anyone can, if you know, put a comment down below how far the socket needs to be away from water. Yeah, I'm not sure if that's far enough away.
What do you need, Dave?
Felt tip pen.
Yeah.
Sharpie.
Lead in it.
Do you want a cushion and a duvet?
I'm getting too over this. That's that one. And that's. So that marks that one. And that marks that one. Voila. Right then, that's your doobie thing with you back.
Yeah.
Where's that bugger to? I can't feel it. Right, that's.
Yeah.
They could do something better than bang, 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 bang.
Yeah.
Coming out with it.
Yeah.
One pipe is clear. Right. So, Sharpie. We're cutting that one there. That's got to go in there. Got a Sharpie there, mate. Right. So more that one there and that one there. Should do us there. Yeah. Can't bugger me, that one's tight. That one goes on there. Like that. Yeah, so cut in there. Too much water overflow, is it? There he is. It's good stuff, isn't it? Do you remember all that bloody soda in it?
Yeah.
What do you mean, yeah?
Never did it, but I know what you
Huh?
mean.
It's like,
This will take the job a lot longer.
oh yeah, of course. Yeah, it was like 2 days work. Right, that's one in.
Hot.
I'm not sure. It's the bottom one, which is cold. So this is a hot one.
Careful then. Don't burn yourself.
I'm just thinking this one here is going to have a bit more water in it.
The bowl's behind you.
Put the bowl under there just in case.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, it's coming out of there.
Got a pipe there, an upstairs pipe. It should be on there somewhere.
You want a bung?
Yeah, yeah, it's got to be in there. Oh, shit's gone out everywhere now. Well, stop coming out there. Oh, stop now.
Stop now, Lee.
That's just some of that. Here they are. Thousands of them. That one in there.
The other one now.
Yeah. Right. Fucking hell. Stop it from going back there. They go back there. Right, where the hell am I? T. Need the upstand now. Brilliant. That's that one, and that one. Do that one. That goes back in there. That goes down like that, and plenty of blue paper.
Amazing how much comes out, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
It's amazing how even a little bit of water goes everywhere, doesn't it?
That's what happens when you work with amateurs.
Yeah. Oh dear.
You sure that just wasn't from your runny nose?
Dave's not amused.
Oh, fucking hell, mate.
Huh?
It always comes round and bites you in the ass. I always find.
Yeah.
That's that there. That's that there. That goes to the top. That's two there. They've got to come up through there. Got another one for them. Is that longer than that? It is, isn't it? Does it matter?
Yeah.
It's all unlimited. Because
Yeah.
don't cross them over, will you?
No.
Right. Cross.
That's
Put the other one through, Lee.
No, that's good enough to go up a little bit.
No, do that one first. Then.
Right, well then, down you go.
Right.
Hang on. Alright.
Now thread the other two through. The lower ones.
My head.
It's not going down, Lee.
Right,
Otherwise,
hang on. Let's go up a bit because I can't get that one in. That one's come out again. Right, that should be
Right,
it
I'm
now.
going to lower him down. Now you jump up in the unit and pull your finger in and
Hook them in.
try and get them. Well, don't hook them in. Just that's it. Just pull them past. Now pull them past there. Right now he's
Yeah,
going down.
Yeah, that's it.
Down, 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 down.
Joint effort.
That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're
Alright.
pretty solid. Yeah.
We've got the wrong thing here. We're just going to put these on for now just to isolate it off.
You've got to have it's I'm not sure it's half HBSP or not. I think it is half HBSP.
What, to go on the flexes?
Yeah, where's
Yeah,
that
it will
washing
do, won't
machine tap? Goes on there, that's that job done. Yeah, it's
So that needs to be, is that closed?
I'm
Or
not
is that
sure.
on?
Don't know. If you look down through the hole,
So that's on, that's closed.
yeah.
Yeah, because it's, that will be in line. Yeah, so that's open, yeah.
Yeah.
So that's closed. Yeah.
So I think it's voila.
Yeah.
Job.
Lovely. Love jobbed.
That's that. Like I say, watch these. Never put these too close to them clips.
Oh yeah, because that push.
Because the pipe goes down, it pushes that one up there.
Yeah.
Dave, what happens if we do? Will we get a fire?
You could do. You never know. mean, you laugh. You're surprisingly laugh to catch on fire.
Okay, so we're all finished now and got the plumbing's all set up ready for the tap over the sink.
Yeah.
So we're going to have to get ourselves a sink and a tap at some point and a freezer.
Yeah, we'll probably
we?
get a freeway. Yeah, we're going to get the 12-volt freezer, aren't we?
Yeah,
And then
yeah.
get the sink, as you said.
Yes.
Which means then we can get Paul out to do the work surface.
Yeah,
don't we?
definitely.
And
Yeah.
get that side done before we tackle this side, I think.
Yeah.
I think that makes sense.
Yeah, so thanks for watching everybody anyway, and see you next time. Bye for now.
Bye.